development of electronic-based investigation management of Indonesian National Police by Dadan Umar Daihani and Sony Sonjaya. Law enforcement is crucial and is very important in the constellation of state administration. The good law enforcement needs fast and accurate data processing. And the process must be carried out transparently, properly, and continuously. At present, the access of the public and all interested parties to information and the process of law enforcement has not been fully encompassed properly. The investigation process is the initial part of the law enforcement process and is a very complex process. The transparency, accuracy, and principles of legal certainty must be properly enforced. Investigation management is needed, which is able to ensure the realization of law enforcement, the realization of law enforcement based on the principle of clean government and good governance, the establishment of an appropriate law enforcement system, the establishment of law enforcement system for the internal and external interests of the national police. System development life cycle. The first stage is planning. At this stage, an analysis and defining of system requirements and preparation of the steps needed to the design and construction of the system. The second stage is design. At this stage, the determination of the characteristic of the EMP system and the expected capabilities began. The third stage is development stage. At this stage, coding and compilation of database, menu system, and the development of programs are carried out in accordance with predetermined plans. The fourth step is testing. At this stage, we conducted various experiments with dummy data to see the validity and reliability of the data and the consistency of the process. The last stage is deploy. At this stage, the NABEL system is implemented. Result. Element of systems. First, system components. Software contains master data as a source or data reference for conducting various transactions, and transactional modules as a means of entering the investigation process data. EMP system hardware consists of a server as a container for the EMP system and a data processing database. Computer as a tool in developing the system and operating the EMP system. And modems and internet access, network facilities supporting access and transactions. Second, EMP system limits. The scope of the EMP includes A. Users consists of all investigators, staff, and elements of the National Police leadership. B. Main manager is Operational Bureau of Crime Investigation Department or Bareskrim Polri. C. Material consists of the criminal investigation mechanism. Third, the ecosystem outside the EMP system is the administration and civil registration, identity of the reporter. Other systems receiving EMP output data include Command Center System, National Crime Information System, Bareskrim website. The system in operational function unit, such as patrolman function, human resource department, and also other institutions such as the system at the National Resilience Measurement Laboratory of the Lemhanas, and others. Electronic-based investigation management, or EMP users, consists of main user, public, internal Polri, and government institution, criminal justice institution, and others. One of the benefits for public user is monitoring the progress of case handlings. The benefit of international Polri users, such as evaluation and monitoring the performance of staff or investigators. EMP dashboard consists of evaluation of investigation performance menu. This menu is used to assess the quantity and quality of investigation performance. Conclusion: the law enforcement can be done based on clean government and good governance principles. The investigation of various cases can be managed more easily and comprehensively, and there was no duplication of the investigation documents. The progress of the investigation can be traced easily, and the performance of investigators can be monitored properly. Many other institutions can take advantage of criminal statistics easily. We hope this small work can provide great benefits. Thank you.